Radhalakshmi. Today I will show you some exercises and acupressure points for the legs. Okay. Now nowadays people are having many problems like arthritis, sciatica pain, heel pain, ankle pain, etc. etc. So we have been taking so many tablets and we are managing the pain. So by doing these exercises regularly and by stimulating the acupressure points, you can reduce the painkillers and it will increase the quality of your life. Okay. Here we go. First I will show you some exercise. Sit straight. Okay. Right. Now lift your right leg. Slowly. Hold it for about 30 seconds and slowly bring it down. Okay. This you can do for 5 times. The same way you do the other leg also. Slowly lift it with full focus. Hold it. Then slowly bring it down. 5 times you do. Now you have to lift both the legs. Keep your legs close. Slowly give your breath. Lift them up. Hold it in this pose for about 30 seconds. Slowly bring them down. Okay. This you can do it for 5 times. Okay. Every day in the morning or evening you can do. The next exercise, keep your feet firm on the floor. Okay. Now slowly press the toes and lift your heels. Just for a few seconds. Then bring it down. Repeat. Raise your heels. Stay in that position for a few seconds and come down. Okay. The other one, the next exercise what I am going to show. Same posture. Press your feet. Okay. Then slowly lift your toes. 1, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Do it 5 times. The next exercise, you are going to rotate your feet. Okay. Sit straight. Keep the feet firm. Lift your right leg and rotate your right feet slowly clockwise 5 times. Anti-clockwise 5 times. Focusing on your feet. See the movement. Then slowly come back. The same way do for the other leg also. Lift your leg. Move it. Rotate it. Clockwise 5 times. Anti-clockwise 5 times. Okay? Okay. Okay, the next exercise what we are going to do, keep your leg like this. Okay. Now hold the toes with your fingers. Keep rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it up to 10 counts. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. It gives nice flexibility to your feet. Good. The same way you have to do for the other leg also. Okay. Yes. Hold it firm. Rotate clockwise. And anti-clockwise gently. If you feel any pain, please stop. Good. Okay. Okay, the next I am going to show you some acupressure points in the leg and the feet, and by stimulating them, how you can improve your health. Okay. Yeah, the first point is here, this portion. Just you can see the two portions here. You have to come here in the middle. Either you can do it with your finger, or you can take a blunt end of the pen, press here and rotating it like this. Keep pressing. You can do it up to 1 minute. And by stimulating this point, it will balance your body. If you have any vertigo problem, you can get relief from that. Okay. The next point is here. It is your thumb. Just you slide down and locate here. Look, the point is here. This portion here, you can massage with your finger, or you can take a pen or pencil and you can keep pressing it. Massage it. This point is very good for sugar patients. It will help you to reduce the sugar level. As for general health also, you can do this. Okay. Okay, now we will move to the next point. Okay, now the next point we are going to stimulate is here. You can see this bulging portion, and here this bone. It is exactly in the middle. Okay, this is the point. Keep massaging this point. You can massage this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you have sciatica, arthritis, back pain, this point is good. This is one of the points which can help you in these pains. Okay. The next point is just 2 inches above this. 2 inches, approximately 2 inches. Okay. This point, you can keep pressing it. Stimulate this point. Okay. Okay. The next point what I am going to show you is here. Just keep your hand on your knee. Just 4 fingers down. Here, sorry, keep your hand like this, and where your this finger stops exactly, it comes here. Here you can find a depression here. This is a very important point. This is called the immunity point, the super point of all the acupressure points. By massaging this point, you can improve your immunity, and it's a very good point to relieve the arthritis pain. Okay, keep massaging it for 30 seconds to 60 seconds. You can do it every day 2 or 3 times. Okay. Now the last point I am going to show is behind the knee. Behind the knee, where the knee and the thigh joints, just like they lift it. Okay. Now here in the center, I'll show you with a finger. Okay. Keep your finger like this and massage this middle portion. 30 to 60 seconds. This is also an excellent point. Relieve the arthritis pain, sciatica pain, and any other problem in the hip or the back. Okay. The same way you have to do for the other leg also. And by doing this every day, definitely you will find improvement in the leg pain, and it will improve your health and immunity system. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care.